Welcome to another video. We're going to see how to stop featured image from displaying twice on your WordPress blog. Now this is the blog. Post on the Google Chrome browser first. To get the code of the duplicate image, right-click your mouse and click Inspect. On the Google browser elements HTML code. You can see the thumbnail code. Appearing twice. From the highlight line of the code, click it and click Copy. Click Copy Selector. Now open a word processor. Open a word processor. And paste the line of code on it. Now we are going to modify the code to stop the featured image from displaying twice. This is snippet we are going to add to the code. Now you can copy it in the description below this video. Now we have added the snippet to the line of code we just copied. Now copy the code as you can see. Copy the code. As you can see, the featured image here is displaying twice. Now take the code on the top of your WordPress dashboard, click Customize. When it opens, scroll down to additional CSS. The name could be different based on your WordPress website theme. Click it and paste the line of code in the column and click Publish. As you can see from the post on the website, the featured image is now displaying as one. This code we just used is for a single post on the blog. It's for a single post only. As you can see, it's now displaying just once. This code we used is for a single blog post. As you can see, there are still posts with featured images that are displaying twice. So we're going to use another code to make it a site-wide feature. We're going to use another code, as you can observe. Other posts still has featured images displaying twice, as you can see. So we are going to use another code to make it a site-wide feature. So this is just to check to see that the blog still has posts with featured image displaying twice. Now we head back to the word processor. Copy the new code. Copy the new code. Go back to your website, WordPress dashboard, click Customize. As we did before, click Customize and scroll down to scroll down. This depends on your website theme. Scroll down to additional CSS. Delete the old code we earlier used. And paste the new code. Click Publish. Now we're going to check. We're going to check the other posts on the website to see the results. Here, click Refresh. As you can see, the featured image is now displaying as one. Let's see other posts. As you can see, the new code has made the featured image to stop displaying twice across the entire blog. It's now just one featured image. So that's how to use code to stop featured image from displaying twice. On your WordPress blog.